Okay. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to identify the characteristics of the quadratic function from the function or from the equation itself, not from the graph. So how many characteristics we're going to identify? We need to identify the axis of symmetry, that is number 1. And we're going to identify the vertex and the y-intercept. So again, we need to know the axis of symmetry, the vertex, and the y-intercept. Please, every time you see this question, start with the axis of symmetry or the equation of the axis of symmetry. Okay, you will have a new formula, which is x, the axis of symmetry, equal negative b over 2a. As you know from the quadratic equation, it's in the form y equal ax squared plus b x plus c. So we have, in this equation, we have a equal negative 2, b equal negative 8, and c equal negative 2. Applying in this formula, so we have x equal negative, b is the negative 8 over a, or over 2 times a is the negative 2. So x equal negative 8 over 2 times negative 4, 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. So x equal negative 8 divided by negative 4, negative divided by negative positive, 8 divided by 4, 2. So we have the x equal negative 2. So now we have the equation of the axis of symmetry, that is the equation of the axis of symmetry, x equal negative 2. How are you going to get the vertex? In order to get the vertex, please substitute with the x equal negative 2 in the original equation in order to find the y. And if you get the y, you got the coordinates of the vertex. So I'm going to erase this and start substituting in y. Okay. So y equal, we know x equal negative 2. So y equal negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 squared minus 8 multiplied by negative 2 minus 2. Okay, then if you are going to use your calculator, please make sure that you put the negative values in a bracket. So negative 2 multiplied by 4, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, minus 8 times negative 2, or negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16 minus 2. Then negative 2 times 4, negative 8 plus 16 minus 2, which is equal to negative 6. So I have now y equal negative 6. So I have x negative 2 and y negative 6. So regarding these, we have the points of or the coordinate of the point of the vertex, which is -2 and -6. So that is the coordinate of the vertex. So here we have the equation of the axis of symmetry. That's the equation of the axis of symmetry. And that is the coordinates of the vertex. So what else I need to find? I need to find the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? The y-intercept is the c, which is -2. I have told you that the form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. That is the original form. So c is equal to -2, and at the same time c is the y-intercept always. So the y-intercept equal -2. So now I got the equation of the axis of symmetry, the y-intercept, and the points of the vertex. Let's do another example. Okay, another equation, which is 3x squared plus bx minus 2, and I need to get the vertex, the equation of the axis of symmetry, and the y-intercept. First of all, as I told you before, we will start of the equation of the axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry equation, x equal minus b over 2a. In this equation, I have the a equal 3, the b equal 6, and the c equal -2. Substituting this formula, x equal minus, this time the b with positive, so I'll put it as positive, over 2 times 3. So that's equal -6 over 2 times 3 is 6. So it's equal -1. So I have x equal -1. That is the equation of the axis of symmetry. And at the meantime, I'm going to use that in order to solve for y. Substituting in this equation, 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Substitute in the equation with x, so 3 times -1 squared plus 6 multiplied by -1 minus 2. Again, if you're going to use your calculator, please put the negative values in a bracket. So here 3 times -1 squared is 1. 6 times -1 is -6, -2. So you have 3 minus 6 minus 2. 3 -6 equal -3, -3, -2 is -5. So I have the y equal -5. Please put it in a circle or oval or a square like that. Okay, so I have the x and the y's. So the coordinate of the vertex is -1 and -5. These are, that is the coordinate of the vertex. So we got the equation of the axis of symmetry, which is x equal -1. We got the vertex, and we need to get the y-intercept. And as I told you before, that the y-intercept is the c, so c equal -2. So now we are done with the second example, and we found out that the y-intercept is equal -2. Thank you guys, and meet you the next time with the domain range and the minimum and maximum value.